Yeah, Mama, you much about my crab BM and for Emra Badwam Mpensenpensemu so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV channel so be live I share me stream on Facebook. Check it Adom TV Extra. Share more be any be extra. Comment was here. You bet you can add my YouTube so Adom TV. Ebra see the better for better say Adwoche and Komebidin de Akwesi Ensia. Happy birthday and come Reverend Samuel Efa Osei, founder and president of Word Performance Church. We free we any woman enyina ho. See I wish you the best. Nyakopo enhyira na onyo kese kwapem so be ye kese pa Reverend Nyameton koso ba na ho de no enye kese ewo so. And also happy birthday confirma asomka hima nana adwoa owusua sedo ye otoso mienu Aigweta achim osiem. And also happy birthday enko emfa emawefu nana asante yabua enso ehonum. Father sekese enko ema Kingdom Home Estate. And baby abetina enhu ye pa. Nipa so anya bepepa antina da bia wo se otu ada ye dwa wasum saa uhia Kingdom Home Estate for atena ni bi no watimi atomo dan bi atrem. Also ne de na efe kra aye se wo hwe environment na just a tourist site kwa da twa ho hia. Jabi amaka jom say security ye tight. Ura estate ba bia CCTV camera ebo honum. Apart from bedroom ne wadwae e no kitchen. Ba bia CCTV camera ebo honum. Se ne be ya wasumdwe de onsa ebetimi aka akwan ye ensuo ye nkanea ensu ejina mu ye pa ne ye dekra wo ye se so kwa mu ye promotion ubetimi atwa between 50 to 70% down payment de aka ne spread am abese 2 years na de atwa dan bo so wo form ye pa kwada kwajibi na tirema wasum entimi enyu bibia na freda ginchiremu 0536 149 961 0536 149 961 and 0303 939 987 0303 939 987 Kingdom wana osi no challenger yade be na pacha do edi ese wako ase entimi etu nyanko be papa ye be bo otu yade ase e de amaw lucky heba ehoni ko an ba bi akwa wa yard sade onsa be kan se yetwe say ye stroke enduare say diabetes ase yade oba na se be ma na wo hin de amaw oba bo so na bu nsa da huna mane a for the chile lucky heba for atena ye or way any no ayar se bebre obetimi asa ede amaw wodi no brani habama ya ke kan bumu na ese yade to be okọ lucky heba bia be di one dance ese won call sa fa ne yade e ma fie de biada hwehwomo e wo gomua ogwakrom wini ba swedro kwantempons bi ni afrem 0243 201 244 0243 201 244 and 0277 465 855 0277 465 855 Lucky Heba or say why lucky papa make say nyame adom ochina na Adom TV 9 lessons and carols no ebaso Adom TV 9 lessons and carols ebaso nyame adom ochina memneda on the 16th year etiye nyina ye nhia honum 30 Ghana cedis ticket na no 30 Ghana se hunu an ohwe ahosepe sister Sandy be a guy any Kumawood stars na eba ne ahofra eba be ka ho ni nyina the store da for ni ekire asiebi take it over to me at star 714 star 003 star 3 hash wait me at on via mobile money and aba home so no abeto ticket 5 p.m. red carpet 7 p.m. na show no astati afibe de pa abanabro so Perez Music eba sanso na multimedia kwa ejinemu KK Fosu enso ejinemu all Kumawood stars nyina so ejinemu mo so eba emekwa so yasene ebi eye DBS Industries Limited Snit Seed Self-Employed Enrollment Drive or say eye wodachi for no personal Access Bank more than banking Franco Trading Enterprise or say phone papa any printers papa FM Compute Ghana passion for technology Level 2 feminine wash Royal Foam Medima for Herbal Clinic, Niche Confectionery, Jagri Fertility and Medical Services, Django Energy Drink, Otiva Top from Agromont, yeah. Pizza Man Chicken Man, Omenaso Yasne Emede Afi, Adom TV 9 lessons and Carlos Mediano, Brombacho Bomania say, Obeba, 5 year Pepenam State red carpet, I started 7, Ledge Mediano, Ashe Asia, I don't know. Honorable Nicholas Amankwa, a member of Parliament, Madeshewo, Amenfi East constituency. Honorable Samuel Ayepe, a former MP Madeshewo, Ayensuano. constituency, also a member of the NPP National Communications team. Arashi.
Yeah, what then?
Yaminado.
Ichawa Tifo.
Tifo Sujoso.
Yeah, I the Kobo, but I knew delegates Nakasa and majority decision binds. Elections today will you see factors, no? Okay. A baby and factors are Yahuni, I put to one among now you make it the necessary correction. I use Yano Francasana. I pay Sambro, Yenu, and the Mama Kudu, my Messanco beam. And one hour say, one and to mammy, do know why. And see, you're the busy hall. Now, Mechia, Excellency the President, and I don't know who for the Nabby actually. I never who had to be war paper simuna, MNG. Taxi drivers hail Dr. Bawumia over a new app to rival foreign apps.
Tap and go.
Yes. Okay. Make I say that me what parliament, I'm a rules committee chairman. And that taxi drivers say what Ghana in one association, a petition, bread committee, no, rules and transport committee. They say Uber, Yango, and backward
online,
you know, Jomo Juma. Inti wa more near Juma, more so no moon to tax. Let me so tax no online will be detected here to tax the wood farmer January. Okay. Now, for me too on for say, baby, we ask a corner, I bear for and 10 times in Yama a caution. Yeah, the best say one so Robert consultant to be. No, I prepare be Yama one. App will be a one so between the moon because this will be out in iffy. Now, we apply na car befani so better than one wire trot on a taxi now. A baby will be out of market. One item I say, call my maybe we heard a lot of demonstrations. And by January, the new system that online transport system, they pay the tax. This is and then so Vice President Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia on this winning or come here. And then also to me abua Emma a new app via Abba ma taxi for so to me compute with the other competitors what the road transport industry yeah Bombay say your mass transport system and any other back me advocate pa say no so be jana na so na to me ama sa card assembly adni to me confirm na Ghana transport system no to me ejina na so
ona mama kwa ko say
Onyame Adom Amenfi East Boko okay bibia akoso
o se mo kwan de ye
share constituency organ make I say Amenfi is akwan asempa de major challenge major challenge or more especially feeder roads no your major challenge guso lobby sa ban be twa nani abehwe because another down kwa Kufuado MPP are buying by 7 years here they started some bay rules war nanso ni nyina mu no enya de a omotumi awie de omotumi awie ne only like 5 kilometers that's from Wasa Ekropon to Adanse which is 5 or 6 kilometers within the mobile 7 years in it all Akoko rules His Excellency John Dramani Mahama start here nyina ya de akaw
year of roads ni nyina echi
year of roads say year of roads 1 2 3 ni nyina echi because we are Memphis East under NDC was no we share from Takwa Bogoso ebetwem Wasa Kropon board there I am free that is a major road aban here asphalt MI we share Wasa Kropon town roads 2016 when Honorable Akwesi Opon was former local government minister. He was the MP then. I was a DC. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Obuae. Within Akropon Township, the municipal capital, in the space of 6 months, 10.5 kilometers. Several roads were awarded, like Sushenso through to Supreme Kotie through to Nananko. Our contractor also. Abayibai also a road audit no. Ever since somewhere we na results in Mayo. Major road in the center of Wasa Kropon. When you Akwesi. That's Angunaga Redeemer Junction to Amanikro Musias. Very terrible. Community na almost swa mobile guso na as MP so yes we support so. Enti me da say I say a prophet Kawede and Katum. They were quite major challenge as member of parliament. Even as a last week Friday, I was on the floor asking the minister in charge of roads and highway, why say you Coco Rosa? You Ramahama stati akao a Francia broche krobo pom akoso through to air entrance sign in Tado. Nina county your road challenge oko air crowd say was someone point Jumako boy Kromas sensu. Aban ye so babeye. Nina account. Prior to 2016 election, Yera Mahmoud Baumia, Doctor Obekati Sort, stretch a fee a body Adom Room 2020 election.
Okay.
Obekati Sort, a war a Sushanso, meaning a quest Anajobe 9 to 10 or Castle Necro Catin or Parkinson. See a baba a stretcher, that's from a dumping. I had done that stretcher, crack room, a chema Sushanso. They are called in Swahili idea. Contractor by a 2 berry and share machines. Oba upon Valley stretch 2016 when we were leaving office, contractor was on the road. As we speak now, no contractor Neja Homa, the beer MP, KTK Quine, almost Wasamenfi is there. You're quite near there. I say
to you, dear President Kufuor, you watch me a best a 5 kilometer to 6 kilometer road.
I stand to be corrected to get the actual figure, but that's Wase Kropon to Adanse, which is 5-6 kilometers. Almost started somewhere here at the Su Edekwa France, almost in Jokwama contractor neko. So road almost started almost completely 7 years. Even with a year some idea in the crano, on say duration for a payment of retention. One more constructed road, on say take it time. Na abiding training na contractor na back. So baby a bear 40 near the end will fix it. Yeah, cases is here road do. It's less than a year or more no road no baby at Gumo just after some mind.
Okay, so 2024 budget Minister for Finance had to hear him say I buy a lot about 11 billion Ghana cedis. Here Baba sorti a contractor for Eka. Na Timiama contractors as a
mame mwana contract.
Mami we are as budget you can. It's true, sir. Budgets, you know. Even we have a deficit of 50 billion Ghana cedis. Because the government intend to spend 225 billion.
Yeah.
And I you'll be raising 75 billion. So we have 50 billion deficit. As we speak now, what is the assurance that this government is going to get the set target to construct roads in Ghana? So you're paying for so on your catch head why be that. I'm for the chain into us. So, now, where is the hope? We are living in a state of hopelessness. There's no hope for Ghanaians. And I know you are aware. Because your amount mandate 7 years down the line. What are you doing? See the Ebetu Abanomoko, cut it short. See when it's past and gone. They want start to know, Obasuno, we accept it. As member of parliament, what I want to see in my constituency is development. Rural electrification. But see now, me sound emotional. 2016, we have several communities transformers here hanging. It's just about a kilometer, 2 kilometers, just for them to connect S1 to the national grid. You can speak of Ayawase Kumasi, Junction Brasso, Brepro, Asomdwe, Niniakao. This government under MPP Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo government, 7 years down the line, Amenfi is not even a single community. Abayana start electrification where we not even a single community. Abayana see school there was start here where we get farm projects. Abayana 2016 in our county, Uba Western region and Ghana and him say on Abwa he pay Okoya. He lost the primaries because Sename Pese because my senior brother. Obiko primaries no Lusua. I say you are a politician there, we know what he goes through. He's an experienced man. Only China Oma Moran, Yenia Teddy, the Jay-Z of Ayensuano. Now on to us, because they're gonna for Ayensuano, Amenfis Obia can say, Mahama Palma opposition MP Squano, any idea constituency Koseno, na GM Beba, na Teddy Nye, Nikonye, or MPs near or MCs here, the development, the more mono, they will see more than that.
But I say they go, I pay 1 minute now.
Yeah, project Biba on Rose. When him say I was the chairman for Rose Intino, Rose update me to feed the bat, Minia Cosina. buying the project be ba all gravel roads. You can gravel roads and I pimp here friendly feeder roads. Not all feeder roads are gravel roads, but I'm specifically on gravel roads. You say Sunato. It is say sooner a toy roads saying you know about reshaping across the country. All roads in all the 261 districts. They are reshaping. I think contractors be so equal rules be so payment a delay. We will raise first IPC, second, third, when to are no site. So our contractors in price changes, inflation, ama or more contracts have been thrown overboard now. Into yes, I should be a baby be a feno. You better look at their estimates na real package contract na omuska akamusi etuamo won back to the contract. It's in their contract and this one you better shaping. Their contractors was no say be renew contract na ya hwe na omako back no omako ye adwuma no. Nti ebe ka krami nu abetra ha 5 kilometers no nya na bi ba be ka ho because contractor no e bia na ye ma no 20-30 kilometers no ye 5 and a payment in my obenya payment onim MP no onim say deficit eba budget deficit a buying a pesika or kwan bebre so ebe pesika and that me no work say na aban area eco for instance treasury bills akọ jessica treasury bills e dey about 3 billion Ghana cedis. It is 50 billion no try no command to yam and nyame adom economy na fi ase Ghana now so and you nim baby COVID by ni say Russia Ukraine near inflation go do 50-something%, and then inflation will drop probably 26, and I want to assure him say you go single digit inflation and son 2024 and then you debt to GDP then I'm hearing something today it is 66%. It's economy age and now so economy we na case big grow by 1.5 today it is going to by the end of this year the economy will grow by 3%. Nti ade a ye nyina ehu say efiase epija na ebe
Mama share lithium as in the concerns around lithium lease agreement. Ebi mi say enya ade a ebebo man o hwe ne ya sign na enti sese ne ya me ya awe
well ma mini kan mi say nchi ayensu anofo na menda onipa koto aba e ma me enyina ase won ato aba me so me da ase yenya a new candidate mesra say yenyina yenko tie new candidate na chi na yentumi enyi seat no MP a onoba ebe tu mi fi ho no ye hwe ne ba bia ye hu no surprisingly ye ne colleagues ni be gina TV so a na wo kan it out no but ukokwen so hwe ne ba bia hu no kwen sense fu no susise wo hu no mo so mo TV so na mo bo mo nsema no me pesa nkada kro obe pechi boko me nkra no na kwa yinsu na ko be say when was the last time am hu mu MP na nka won kan kire wo na obe radio so na hu se na be si aka na fa lithium agreement me won papa because matra parliament me ya hwe concessions bebre mining concessions bebre na me hu mining concession bia sing ni aye ka ho asem sisi first no na argument nipa ni bi e kan say oh enye na we di enye o ma na fe some opposition MPs former energy minister honorable Kwamina Donko eba appointing Kwamina Donko na
former power
minister eba appointing be kan so oh sadi we dey no kware ni esin ni ayehu nyina na chikata ni nua ba ka na foi chikata na se ben ono so ba appointing so oh we dey is the best yehu bi da sa concession we dey hu bi da pen afi won asesa language no say enye say enye na mbomu no ni awa sign no different from ni awade ababonten no one question na obi say no na wo hwe yen minerals act na act 703 na 0203 na wo hwe ma wo clearly say e was say sa concession we ye de be call parliament me dey say minu MP wa ha ye be rectify or parliament ye sign we ye de call parliament it is a good parliament ye the document ne be call na obia de nani nkosu ahu na ye representatives na wa parliament no won ahwe no nga bi say ni amode be cha abonten ka kire yen no ene ni amode be to yen anim wa parliament say ye rectify no difference bi o ma na because ye nim say Ghana ha minerals biara yenya no the highest ever royalties yenya 5% royalties it been say you go beyond 5% and then sa lithium agreement ya sa awo ya lithium agreement ya kwakoye 10% royalties. Ebinsi baby ada. Ebinsi Ghana bakwasemu da. Even the time of Kwame Nkrumah kurano yenya royal minerals concession bia na yenya 10% as royalties. Ye free bibi say carried interest shares are yenya no. 13%. And also lithium enya Ghana nkran yenya bio. Ghana is the fourth largest lithium deposits Africa hanyina. Mali I think the third or so. Baby Chile country be wants lithium almost produce super in higher quantity. One would be a one royalties in a year above 5%. I'm say you crowd Chile crowd 1%. Until 10% is the highest among all the countries are to lithium is the same. And now yaba yen carried interest in the shares on share. You get 13%. 13% is the highest. Here won't be a woman with that. Say, ye kwaye mineral be mining be na ye benya 13% ewo. Uko friends then Argentina, kita 3%. Uko Mali is having about 6%. Nti ayadea anya the highest ever. Yenya ewo yen mining concessions ewo even Ghana and all over the world. Nti me say nipa bi ehusane ame no ngakenkan no wada so eba abonten esi ye lithium agreement no enya papa
no crese o Messi factory at their refinery.
Yes, it is in the agreement. It make us agreement no ebeba for ratification in parliament
agreement.
Yes. We say o mefa bat we say we be see factory no. It's part of the agreement, but as we start, what to me, I don't have the copy of the agreement here with me. And Niaya can say, what best starting there, do if that's off take, they will take the whole thing. But so as it goes on, the Benya factory, you better find little but it's one of the basic factory.
Yeah, one of the basic factory.
And a company now about
agreement is a company basic factory.
Agreement say basic. I don't have the copy of the agreement for now.
We have been able to tell your viewers agreement.
Yes, it's part of it.
So it means what kind? It's what kind of deal? It means also to make sure. Baby pots here, a word.
Agreement about you can't even read everything in the agreement, but it highlights in a briefing now. They are going to
company BC refinery.
There's a difference between say YNC refinery and NYN. And NYN say company now no your mind on BC agreement, but it's in agreement to say you better find Ghana. Say cocoa farmers and they produce cocoa. By company be to me see cocoa processing factory. No abato cocoa no beans no are processing.
Oh no somebody.
Then I say you to me your company now or no better yan lithium no raw no processing and the ama yan finished product no Ghana.
Company na ye no mo kosa apam no. Omo be si refinery e wo Ghana. Normally are refining lithium now or more
a percentage of it.
It's a percentage you say or more refining, you know, see what you require from nearby and a refining or more basic.
Yes.
But you read the agreement. Enimusa.
Enimusa, and when you say
Enimusa company no ABC refinery the Amagana.
But you bet to me the state agreement you say you to me see refinery and processing
honorable
raw material no it's you bet to me see factory and processing. There's no clause in the agreement that actually say you ni who can say you bet to me the clause actually say hand you be taken into raw form you to me processing. But there's nowhere also in the agreement that actually say you to me and processing be what it is a company be
for
no say me producing batteries. Now me say me lithium, raw lithium. Now me producing me battery. There's no clause in the agreement that actually say we cannot buy the lithium in raw form and process it in Ghana. There's no clause in it. It is today government of Ghana, like we do the Ghana gas. Government of Ghana can set up a company to process the raw material and purchase it from the company. Whatever it is, we can.
Raise question. And bisa and Fasodie, what is in for Ghana?
Exactly.
Then the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Emma Ghana 40 has said through me the press or Ministry of Information say as part of the benefits of Ghana Enyan Ejumakunu eba besi refinery wa Ghana yedi baba refinery lithium and I make actual say agreement na aban ni Ejumakunu sign any baby say Ejumakunu besi refinery wa Ghana
na ewo mu so say have you also read in the agreement say Ejumaku biara na sa aban so ni ho kwan say what is the question? Answer the question.
Menkasa you come say minister ne say Ejumaku na aban ni na sign apam say Ejumaku be see refinery e de amagana
exactly
and now no fiada yeah honorable Mekudu Kaba me dey osaka the same thing say Ejumaku be see refinery but me say say honorable Ejumaku see refinery kwa e advantage to Ejumaku no so there be ebeboa Ghana mo okra cha Ejumaku no and na make cho say enne per the agreement aban ni Ejumaku no sign enim say chinchina Ejumaku no ba be see refinery dia ma
but enim so say Ejumaku no to mean see factory ma Ghana and enim so say sa banko ne abanka se misi factory na mato lithium no as Ejumaku no nche na ma refine wo Ghana ha there's no clause in the agreement that prevent that. I think Ghana Gas, you sign agreement in the oil production. No, we say ABC Ghana Gas. It was not in it. But a bank say Missy gas now, gas factory now. Many gas, no process it Ghana. They did it. Internet. If there's MOU and there's an understanding said, ne, you per se, you see refinery. Na refining lithium, nienya batteries, Ghana ha. Not end product of lithium, nienya. There's no clause in the agreement that says we cannot do it. 2. Sir, concession, we are finna back parliament for rectification. It's a good parliament. Yeah, say in the agreement, specifically, you can't see a basic factory. Specifically, you can't say yen to mean see factory. But let's make amendment and put in say, this percentage, and who has put any percentage. This raw material, so very Mpensenpensemu never to make processing. You know how we do it. Still,
we are giving $24 billion natural resources.
Amendment to be made when the concession is sent to Parliament for ratification.
We are giving $24 billion.
It is not the final agreement
to Ejumaku, and you think it's enough?
It's by percentage.
$24 billion natural resources.
Yes, it's by percentage. And the percentage is the best ever in this country. Tell me, I challenge you, and I challenge you.
Which mineral resources in Ghana worth $24 billion?
And I challenge you, say, should I be mineral be
which mineral resource in Ghana worth $24 billion?
Manganese, concession where Ghana ha. Yenya royalties in 10%. Carry on interest of 13%.
Mineral resource better what Ghana worth $24 billion.
That is why you're nominal terms.
It's so sad.
To you.
So it's so sad.
To you. It's sad to you.
We are giving $24 billion.
It doesn't matter. Don't look at that. Look at the percentage. When it is 5%. Whether it is 24 billion, whatever, it's 5%. Now today,
and you are taking 13%. If you say you're okay,
10%. Apart from that,
you are taking 10%. If you say you're okay,
MIIF to be part of the board has also signed 6%, 3 plus 3, making 6 to add it to our percentage. And the ABC that said Ghana ha, yenya mineral na concession bia, it was such percentage. It near can say. I was saying, yeah, boy, and some MPP are buying. Say, you to me, I've got signed concessioner, your interest, your highest ever. At least it's an improvement of all minerals concessions that we've made in this country.
But see, there's no mineral in Ghana, worth $24 billion.
But anything you have found, no messenger, you're the percentage there. You're the percentage there. So you look at 10%.
A percentage is from a number. A percentage from a number.
So your mineral concession be a royalties in 10%. Carry on interest of 13%. With MIIF and take 6%. You need big that.
$24 billion.
Me say a big Ghana. Tell me any concession. Any concession. Tell me. No, you have to challenge me.
See, there's also no concession worth $24 billion.
Any concession.
Maybe see any concession be for more than that.
Anything that's our concession will also equal 10% royalties from 500% increment. Maybe see that 100% increment. And yet so when I can what billion. Look at the percentage. No, 5%. And 10%.
5% of what amount?
That amount has gone up. That is why the percentage has also gone up.
This is the first one. You to lithium. It is lithium. Who can nano 5%?
Nano 5%. You can't be right concession. Whether it is lithium, whether it is gold, whatever it is. We are talking about minerals concession. Mineral concession.
The percentage na you charging. Emu bie nu aye nya ade a ne mu duro ne seso no.
Percentage so you charge more than 5%.
At least we expect to say
we have increased it to 100% increment from 5% to 10%.
So this is what government can do for Ghana.
That is what government has done so far. It didn't see that. Ghana.
It didn't see that.
No,
National Communications Team. She will lead the video lithium. Mula bre aso game park. Ama for numbers ebe draw. We ni ano pay ya we abedi enyure so bedi ano pay bebre so e be no pay. She we ebe isi. Akwa ba biem we so share Mpensenpensemu on Badwam on Adom TV. Happy birthday and confirm Dr. Mrs. Mame Ekwia Poma Ofosu. Dr. Mrs. Mame Ekwia Poma Ofosu. The Executive Secretary of National Labour Commission, and I did a birthday and Mrs. I wish you all the best. Yaminchra, no your kese, Copimse, obey Kesepam. Because say, I'm Chenny Payambre to the Bio here, the abitimide, I re energizing the Pedrian, Senabia, when they bet me a saba, no boy, but to Brunya Bay. On a boy, pay so Brunya, dear son, Wako. Gonya me who be my son of Edron. Eti pato bro nya bai o se boy se adwuma na enya ahoden anonom dia make for dia ma onum abenya ahoden pa Django energy drink eye papa arofo enumbi school for enumbi tailor for enumbi seamstress enumbi kaye for enumbi one to office sabotai enso enumbi eye obia de Food and Drugs Authority 13.4 agi atum otisa water so energy drinker manenya Django energy drink piwak enso enie or the 3P garlic mixture abedwa so ene eboa my boost immune system ahode ba ne padwam se enti da bia so na watim so wa ahode power de enam oba bosumi aso bu sada ohuna ma ne ohia 3P garlic mixture ne ya odo di na edura ohia eno Ghana ba bia tondo bia no okwa wonsa ebeka bi ato foni ekte enkran okan shi na fe coffee sam okan shi coffee sam na fe Kingswalk kumasi for enko Danny Heba na fe Colinac hoko Abed Sam Heba takwade AA Mensa Sunyane a Green Light Pharmacy. Be a friend 0248 928 824 0248 928 824 and 0201 000 021 0201 000 021. Piwak for 3P Gallic Mr. Diabano. And ye come up, pam. Would say Afibia the Santa's Wonderland Ebro Afia the 2023 edition here and Ebro. Na afi exclusives in Kwam. Our group it says Santa's Parade and Festival of Light. The Enchanted Christmas, Zip Mass Ewom, Chris Time at Mrs. Claus Kitchen. Cooking at the bebre and a woman say, Send Afibia. This is the 4th edition here, the Ebro. Now, can I take it in about standard ticket for December 25th and 26th? No, 295 Ghana cedis from Kwadano. And before 175 Ghana cedis. Now, golden ticket there, December 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and 27th. And then Kwadano ticket, no, 325. And then before 375. Frena Buena Jinche Musse, I think probably for Grano, Namco why. Now, one can so our phones, Mukotam, money, to Guarani Eddie, Agram to be almost say 5 for the next year. 0557 067173 0557 067173. An episode here will take it through Monsua and it's 0597 390 727 0597 390 727. Ghana's lithium.
What's where the Eddie Kaimenda was BM now? Me fa kwenya tsunami chia. Odo for Majibre e share Badwam no pay. Titune the good people of Wasa Amenfi East constituency. Me ma hene teteto kwa mwaseche otosumienu. Oni atranko nyina. Me national party leadership led by Yeresi Edunketi, our region led by Nana Toku and constituency led by Yera Atochino Bibia. Me communication director so opoku a oko assemblyman onkonya na yanti yes ono so ehwe meche obi bia akobi good menu ya ketwa menu akwasi Ghana ha eye obia de se nyamiama ya discover sa lithium na wo hwe a nyankopon Israel wo hwe ye gold a ye tuni ade nyina bauxite diamond manganese nyehu se mfaso be na yenya wa because me free was a crop ye ni bogoso eye nuanom me cho na abo wisdom kujo uko bogoso Pristia Huni Valley wo hwe Pristia ye started to gold nyende ko hwe Pristia kwan ko takwa several mining company what takwa ko hwe takwa kro de wetie wo hwe eye yuma tanim university kesi anim takwa town roads until yera eye GM ina be asphalt kilometers bi akadodo aye jano ko bo asisi a ko hwe ni nyina ye gold asem eno na etikesi a oda som da epa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama emra obefa abenwa no oka say ye man panyin kufo wo hwe eye 207 eye Mineral Act na ye man panyin eye Act eye 702 ye man panyin ehemra say ye gudie ho nsem no obi a obetu agudie bi eye gold no royalties no you will not pay less than 3% and I won't pay more than 6%. But it's a case of that sum that epa Jane say we have to amend that law into share Act 900 abroad.
Act
Minerals Act 900 2015. Okay. Abrana Mahama ye president no. Yes, same money be open. Say oba betu agudie ewo yasase so a onya restricted line say yeah not less than 3 or more than 6, but it's now an open year for negotiation. Depending on what ability to negotiate, you will not go below 3, but you can go even to 40%. Any percentage are buying the in Tiamra yenya lithium, Osha lithium ye green mineral. See they now can once them. You were passionate because baby Ghana yakoduno. We need money to develop this country. Na na do down kwa kufuado. Any area ba omia. Omo den tone di Ghana fuache. Minister in charge of deputy minister of lands. I watch him on Adom, and as part of the agreement, now can you papa you pay on page 14. It's almost 30 clear say.
Page 14 of the lease agreement.
Lease agreement. Say omobe refund the lithium ni waha.
Okay.
But already when I also say company no is not obliged. But omo two lithium no see two lithium no. I just went to roasted. I just boba. Until they rather granite. Omo grandia na akbe concentrated form. Ono omo ice porto. Na woka say adia. Emre mu yehye say lithium yenya ni ebe ni chrome ani refined no ha. The byproduct no. Ceramic tiles a eye no eye shama. O share eye ene ye phone e use battery ni nyina lithium. Cancer eba ni nyina no omo connect say they are no more going to use fuel or ade ni nyina no. We need this lithium. Inche ye green mineral no I very expensive and hot commodity. Share go to Zimbabwe. Omo dia no Chinese company no obetu no. The agreement was who to our refining the chrome ha. Inti byproduct no eba boy see to your oil ya. Ye di ni nyina akwa ma no ne no. See you refining no ha enne wo hwe road only road contractors din komo a. Bitumen na omo kofa ba is very expensive. But if we're able to refine our own oil here, byproduct, you benya bitumen, you benya kerosene, something that when the byproduct best sell will be brave. Now mu try and trobi, they been exposed. Now oka say aban bia no wa ba wa negotiation mu aboso mu anya royalties 10%. You bu sound say aban ben so no wa ba ya witness discovery of lithium. Oni nyina ye gold. Ni nyina ya diamond, ni nyina ya way, and when so be green mineral, if he doesn't know, and it's the hottest commodity.
Okay, so
you make can say
facha me but and also no other argument here say. And na ye ka say and ye face say aba be hot commodity. And e bibia betimi abebom ama the value of lithium no aba form. So ti oko overprice company na, you end up overpricing your whole country out of the market. If you be as a year or calculation so on consider so say hey and then we and at first na gold any do nkomo and area se nyina do mani akwa lithium because of say na pese yeti areas we more bad mu adwumadi eso. So what about the next best a few months to come or years to come? Be you from abebomu you certainly have the price of lithium dropping.
When you kwasi ukodwom. So what the board here if we feel kodwom, I'm coming from a rural community.
Yeah.
Na say wo call now say board here drone no, wo beton no 10 cities. Na wo do markets. Na say board here ma, wo beton on the 10 cities ana.
That is so do na board here ma.
Me busa.
Na do na abusu e.
Wo do na abusu a still wo benya good negotiation. The quality of your product.
When him say yes no, some of these mineral resources that enye determine the price.
When you question, the same common we di now what masia. Sisi aye kasa lithium is the hottest way out be.
That is a no.
And then come on so near
But what about the next?
and then come on.
Because and then come on is what they call project into the future.
Me say and then come on SED and you have several companies. And then me kwasi. Adom we say this even discussion here wa ha no. Omo open forum.
Okay.
Aye so omo je we say civil society organizations almost start kasa because aban we are there minimum dozen. Even community no mokoye we no. When you listen to some of the chiefs, almost say several communities now affect you, but they were not engaged. So open forum. J ideas said you what here and can call for better negotiation.
Oh no, sir, but communities need no. The whole community need now fall under infantiman.
Yeah.
Okay. And the agreement nature say or make 1% of a human no as development fund the community no of which and now will amount to about $6 million every year.
It's not like that. Also by mommy $6 million.
Yeah.
You have to engage me. Explain to me $6 million neba. Me here then I'm a the chiefs are complaining.
No, $6 million it goes to the assembly.
And but the people
who are also part of the assembly.
And the Ahimfo are not informed. They were not engaged.
Part of the assembly.
They were not engaged. I can see the woman say government like omudi e-levy ban. This is exactly what they did.
Okay.
Omo challenge ni say omudi ba parliament we na pass kai and efe na omo koko for you to engage. So a situation like this when him say every month be operate here, you have corporate social responsibility. Do you know why they pay? Because there will be effects of your mind in your communities. No, the chiefs are complaining they were not engaged. And look at this. Ebu Omubu Ghana for say this as part of the agreement.
Okay.
This company, almost classified under free zone, and there's no mining company in this country falling under free zone. When in free zone company be actually say. Offer products no ube process it no for export.
Okay.
This company lithium no mutu no they are not going to process it in this country.
Ube processing way.
Some omo left here omo they call.
There be.
Omo left here concentrated number no but omo decides products no omo taking outside.
Okay.
It's not going to be processed here. It means you sit here. Every company be all free zone no over 10 years a year tax holidays.
Yeah.
It you know what I say betua what is it 35 as corporate tax no aban ben a mining company ben in the work room ha onto your corporate tax so omo follow this company under free zone means say 10 years no they are not going to pay this tax and this is what aban way also at the bar parliament when you win area when it's what the bar parliament for ratification you've done the agreement everything parliament yen share through ni approve but nimpa na ebe benefit to omo mining nyina no as we were saying the minister was here. He told us, say, they are going to plant a processing plant here. Ebema ejuma byproduct beba, Badwam a boost to the economy. Palpable force in the argument is not like that. Two, I listened to the minister, what is the man in charge of area IEC?
Okay, Minerals Commission.
Mineral Commission.
Okay.
Ewo asempa.
Okay.
Na me raho. O say our program na no. Institute dia frɛ no, they are into mining. Say omombra normal update your more admin no na can I say na say what country are we building and another
okay
say Ghana yenya ya dey to say instead of we taking advantage you benye skabu man no we are just giving it out and we are not giving us
but as Yakopon ya mu adwada o man ne kwabra sante ene obedi a share me dey apese instead that so jebre na hwe na you know na boy pay
sanga issues raising
Becca was
that argument say kasa o say no mining company bi a Ghana ha also mo royalties here 5%.